Hi everyone, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I am here with my first video, sharing my first project with you via YouTube that I'm really excited about. This is a album that I created for a swap that I'm hosting over on the Cricut message board. It is a shape album and it is for Tracy. She's my swap mate, and I am videoing it with my brand new camera that Santa brought me. I'm very excited, so that means that I'm going to be creating a lot more videos and sharing some techniques with you all. My blog is paperphenomenon.blogspot.com, and let's go through the album. Here on the binding, you're going to see a few ribbons. I didn't tie too many ribbons because I don't want to overwhelm it with the ribbon, and I don't want it to take away from the album. I also added some charms. A few of these charms are buttons from the Dress It Up collection, and I added a charm, a Christmas light charm, and a few jingle bells for some interest, which I think is super cute. Here I hung a tag from the Stampin' Up tag and punch set, and I thought that was a really nice touch. Here I cut out this train with my Cricut. I also added lots and lots of embellishments. Here there's some non-paper items that you will find. There's a candy cane, some floral accents, and then along with some paper accents. Here's a Santa bag with toys and a teddy bear, and again the candy cane and the floral accents, some bling. Here I added these flowers to the wheels. I thought it gave it some additional interest, and I thought it looked really cute. Here I added also some stickles, which I love, so you can see a lot of stickles throughout the album. I started the track here. I added some brads for the hardware to give it some more interest and some dimension. Stickles for the snow. Here on the first page, we're going to open this up, and as you can see, I started using my bind it all, which was a little bit of a boo-boo because I decorated the album and then the pages would not fit through the bind it all to punch the holes. So I had to improvise, and that's when I went with the binder clips, or the binder rings, excuse me. Here you're going to see a Christmas tree cut out with my Cricut. I accented that with stickles for some interest and a little dimension. Here is an adorable tag that I found at the Michael's Dollar Spot, and it pulls out very simply like that, and it's just a simple tag. It comes in a set of 12, and this circle here is punched out, and what I did was, I think I'm getting out of frame there, I added this snowflake which fit perfectly in the center, and it just gives it a little more interest. I created a pocket out of the tag, tied some ribbon, and she can add a photo, some journaling, just a functional pocket for whatever you like to add. And it tucks right behind there just perfectly. Here is the caboose, again, the flower accents for the wheels, the bling, and some stickles here for further interest. On this backside page, move this over, is a fold out album. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but it folds out to an 8x8 page. So each square is 4x4, and you can add pictures and journaling and just tons of real estate here for those magical holiday pictures. And it folds back. There's a tab here, just a little hint to open me up and enjoy. On this page here, I created one of these Laura from Following the Paper Trail mini albums made out of a number 10 size envelope, and here again is one of these little candy cane accents. These candy canes, these non-paper accents, are, I found these at Michael's. These are mini Christmas tree ornaments that they're used to adorn the mini Christmas trees that you see, that they're about like 2 feet tall. You can put them on your desk or perhaps in a child's room. And I don't know if this came in previous years, but there were tons of different styles of ornaments, tons of colors, non-traditional colors as well, and I had to pick a lot of that up, and it worked well for this album and several other projects that I'm working on. Here is a pull-out tag, again, that mini album using the envelope from Laura from Following a Paper Trail, and it just, again, tons of real estate for tags, pictures, and journaling. And I used a little glitter pre-made sticker there. And here again we follow the train, the track, again with the hardware, a couple of snowflakes here, and some bling. This here is my favorite page, and I have to slide it over to get into frame. This Noel piece I cut out with my Cricut. It's a functional mini within a mini. I added some Velcro so it can stay shut. On the cover, the Noel is just I accented that with not crackle accents, but I can't think now, but anyway, glossy accents to give it some dimension, some shine, and some luster to those letters. Here I cut out a poinsettia with my Cricut, some stickles again for interest and dimension, and this opens up into another mini. Love it. Over here, I just love tooting my own horn, ladies, so you're gonna see that a lot in my videos. This is a tag that I created using a Stampin' Up! Die. A cute, super cute stamp on the back with the naughty or nice sentiment. You can check some items off there, whether you were naughty or nice, and add some journaling. Here, another one of those snowflakes that I found in the mini ornament section at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, one or the other. And here is some tags that I cut out with my Cuddle Bug and did some stamping and covered them with some pattern paper. This tree here is again from that Dress It Up button collection. I cut the button back off. I think it's called a button shank. I clipped those off and just glued those down to the pattern paper. Created this functional pocket here, another pocket here on the side, and some more tags for photos and journaling. Here in the centerpiece, you can just add a large photo if you like, family photo. Just that special Christmas family photo can be adhered to the center there and just closed up and shut. How cute is that? And on the last page, you're gonna see here is another functional pocket, which is the actual page. I only adhered it to the bottom edges here, so you have all this room to tuck away photos and journaling and any other little keepsakes that you might have that you might want to keep from that Christmas. Here is another super cute tag with a Stampin' Up! Die, one of those Christmas tree ornaments, this lollipop, and this tag opens up and you'll see some journaling, a journaling spot, and that closes right back up. Here again, one of those Dress It Up buttons, cut the shank off, created this super cute tag, picture, journaling, you name it. This top note accordion fold is going to house tons and tons of pictures. Okay, and this super cute card that I matted. This is actually a recipe card from the dollar spot at Michael's. And the back of this card is the, made from kitchen of whomever. And the back of this card was plain, so I just covered that back up with, or the front of that card with a designer paper. And that super cute snowflake glittery paper. And left the line side for journaling. These cute little accents here were cut out with my Cricut. I accented them with stickles and did some layering effect for added interest, and that's about it. This is my album, ladies, and I really hope that Tracy likes it, and I really hope that she enjoys it. And I'm hosting another swap. I got a lot of good responses from the word/shapebook album swap round 1 that I'm doing a round 2, and the topics for that round for January is a birthday theme, February is Valentine's, and March is going to be an Easter theme. So I'm really excited about creating those albums and see what the ladies create, and get their ideas and their techniques and what goes on in their mind in the paper world. So I'm really excited to see that. And thank you for watching my video. Now that I have this camera, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of more videos to come. Check out my blog for other projects, not videos, but projects on things that I've worked on in the past. It's www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.